Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda Prakresna. In this opportunity, I would like to present training report. In this presentation, I will discuss about 1. Background and purpose. 2. Theme and place of training. 3. Job description. 4. Conclusion. Before we go into the discussion, I will explain what is training. Training is a school activity or program that inevitably involves its student SMK and is done or performed in the cooperative or industrial world. Its purpose is nothing more than student education, learning, and training in order to improve students in the workforce that are within their means. School organization also play a significant role in this process. The first discussion is about the background. The learning process in vocational high school is designed with a competency-based approach, a protection-based approach, and a works-based learning based on competency with learning approach that is based to equip competency thoroughly for students, which includes aspects of attitude, knowledge, and skill. Learning based protection is learning that is imposed in the acquisition of learning customs in the form of finished goods or service in accordance with industry standards or the business world will. Learning based on the world of work leads students to improve competency through the world of work. Learning in the world of work, students must carry out learning activities in accordance with the competency requirements needed by the world of work. The purpose is so students can implement compare between technology or practices that they get since they study in vocational high school with real work in the working or industry environment. Practice is expected to equip students to improve experience and knowledge skill professionally that are suitable for work world demand and improvement. Technology that develops in the community from industry employment practice is expected in the school will get feedbacks from the industry world in improving the quality of graduates. Okay, we continue to the next discussion. Team and place. The training is carried out at PT Honda Kudus Jaya, the center of the company Honda Kudus Jaya, where in the Holy area it has branches in the Pati and Purwodadi areas. I myself have industrial work training for about 3 months in the body repair section of car painting and many other training. Next, job description during the training. Before starting the practice, we are required to clean the practice sheet first. There are many things we do during the internship, among others, welding, body repair, caulking, painting, and much more. Conclusion. In this presentation, I can conclude that this training or industrial work practice are in accordance with what has been taught at school. As for the many lessons or knowledge that we haven't learned on school, I can get them during the internship at PT Honda Kudus Jaya In addition, I could get a lot of theoretical knowledge from the instructor in the workshop. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you and bye bye.